Tutorial video. I am going to be showing you guys how to buy NCAA basketball tickets here through the SeatGeek application. So once SeatGeek is opened up, what I want you to do is to go to the bottom left, press on the home screen icon, which I'm on right now, or right beside that, press on the search icon, go to the top and search up a game of your choice. But if you go back to the home screen here, I'll just scroll down to where it says browse by category. I will then press on view all. At the top where it says sports, I will once again press on view all and just simply scroll to NCAA men's basketball, or it could be NCAA, women's basketball, whatever the case may be. But for this demonstration, I will press NCAA men's basketball. Now, at this moment in time, there's no games because March Madness did just end, but the games will be right here. If you go to the top right, you can change your location as well as set the dates for something specific in the future. So, very simple, very straightforward. This is how to buy NCAA basketball tickets here on SeatGeek. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this video helps.